What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is related to selling on Amazon. So last week I gave you 5 reasons why I absolutely hate Amazon. However, I'm still selling on it. So I thought it would make sense for me to give you now 5 reasons why I love Amazon.
Money, I want more money.
Why I'm selling on it at the moment, why I will continue selling on it in the future, and why I think it will be a great idea for you to start selling on Amazon to potentially build that passive income that everybody's looking for and leave the 9 to 5. With that being said, guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you really want to take this seriously, then please don't forget to check the links down below for my own personal mentorship, where I will help you set up your own product, set up your own business, list your first product to make sure you make sales straight away, and negotiate the best possible prices with your suppliers. There are so many mistakes that new people can easily make without any experience before, and with my mentorship, we can try to avoid them. Also, guys, if you're interested in selling on Amazon, but you're running on a much lower budget, which is absolutely fine, please don't forget to check the links down below for all of the business tools that I use, such as Helium 10, where you'll get 50% off. That is the product research tool that I use on a day-to-day basis, or Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your Amazon FBA business. With that being said, guys, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing I absolutely love about Amazon is, of course, the money.
What I call them? Fun coupons.
Now, I'm not going to go into detail of how much I've been making over the last few months because I have made various other videos on this, which I'm sure you can check out on my channel. However, all I can tell you guys is no matter what job you're currently doing at the moment, whether it's a minimum wage job or you're a doctor, lawyer, working in the city, Amazon FBA can make you more money over the long term. If you just put in enough time and effort and dedication into this business model, you will be able to leave your job, whether you like it or hate it. It's completely up to you, but you'll be able to leave that and work on Amazon full time. With that being said, guys, Amazon is still a full-time job. There is still a lot of things for you to do, and therefore don't think that just because you're leaving your 9 to 5 job where you actually get paid for your time, you will be able to do anything you want. There is still a lot of time and effort that goes into Amazon each and every single day, and not to mention a lot of stress and risk-taking as well, just like any other business would. The next thing I like about Amazon is the fact that it gives you the ability to work on your own schedule.
Well, I'm the boss. Head honcho. El numero uno.
Okay, no longer will I be basically stuck on a 9 to 5. If, let's say, for example, I want to have a nice lunch with my girlfriend, I am not worried about going back home as quickly as possible. I don't have an hour lunch break. If the weather is nice in UK, which is a very rare occasion, I am more than happy to take that particular day off because I am not bound to answering somebody else. I am my own boss and therefore I set my own hours. However, guys, at the same time, just because I'm setting my own hours doesn't mean I'm actually working less. If anything, I am actually working more, but I work on my own time. So in my case, in most cases, I work very early in the mornings when I'm speaking to suppliers from China because of the time difference, and then I'm working well into the evening as well. I usually leave majority of the day in the very beginning of the day, more so for YouTube or doing things that I like for my own personal enjoyment. And this is the flexibility that Amazon will provide you. Unlike a 9 to 5 where you have to be at a certain time at a certain place, with Amazon, that is simply not the case. The next thing I absolutely love about this is the more control aspect of it. At the end of the day, guys, when you're working for somebody else, you are trading your time for money, okay? And somebody else has a lot of control over you. They have control whether or not your salary is going to increase. They have control over your working life. They have control over many, many aspects of your life. Well, with Amazon, you have total control. And that being said, guys, you have total control of your own life and also of your own success. So that means if your Amazon FBA business doesn't do as well as you have hoped, it is you to blame for. It's nobody else, it is you to blame for. So therefore, guys, it puts a lot of pressure on yourself, but at the same time, you are much happier in that sense, at least in my opinion, because you are in control. You cannot give any excuses. You are in total control of your own destiny. And to me, this is really, really important. This is why I believe I deserve all the success that I've had, and I also deserve all the failures and all the mistakes that I have made as well. I am responsible for them and I cannot blame it on somebody else. The next thing that I love about Amazon FBA is the ability to help others.
Help me! Me!
Whether it's students on my own personal mentorship course or it's family or friends, I am able to help them leave their 9 to 5 jobs as well. Some of them don't actually want to leave 9 to 5 jobs, but they will appreciate getting some passive income to increase and improve their quality of life at the moment. And I'm happy to say I've been able to do that. Various of my friends who love what they do as a 9 to 5 still sell on Amazon only a few products here and there, and they will supplement their income by £500 to £1,000 a month. You'd be surprised how much of a life change that can be to most people. Just an extra £500 to £1,000 a month can be life changing, and it's not so difficult to do. And it's very fulfilling for me being able to teach them on how to do that and therefore improve their life in the long term. And then last but not least, Amazon FBA, just like any other business, provides you with so much experience, so much very valuable experience that you can take into other aspects of life. Now, I have actually got a university degree in business economics, and I personally think that selling on Amazon FBA has actually provided me with more knowledge and experience than I could have ever gotten from a university degree. This I can then apply into either potentially opening up a different business, running a different business, or actually advising and helping people in terms of consultancy. This is some sort of life lessons that I'm taking on board that I'll be able to take into the future, potentially teach my kids and anybody else I get in contact. I personally see this as very, very valuable self-development, and I will continue to learn more about the online world and Amazon FBA. So guys, with that being said, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you do want to see any future content, please don't forget to comment as to what topics you would like me to cover, and I'll make sure to come back to you as quick as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.